Hi everyone, let's begin to solve this tricky math problem. First, we do this 3 over 7 multiplied by 7. Here we can easily cancel this 7 and this 7. Here it equals 3. And 21 divided by 3 equals 7. But this is not correct answer. Because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority. That's why we have to begin to work from the left to the right. And according to this rule, first we have to work this. And here we have to use KCF rule. K stands for keep, C stands for change, F stands for flip. And according to this rule, first we have to keep 21, and we have to change division to multiplication, and we have to flip 3 over 7, and when we flip it, it equals 7 over 3 multiplied by 7. And here first we do this 21 multiplied by 7 over 3. Here we can simplify 21 and 3. Here 7 remains, and 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. First we have to work this. 7 multiplied by 7 equals 49. 49 multiplied by 7. And 49 multiplied by 7 equals 343. This is our final and correct answer. We can copy this answer here. Answer for this problem is 343. That's all. Thank you. Subscribe my channel.